Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Michael. In today's video I want to show you guys how to get free money to start up a business here in Nigeria. This is a new method, is a new tip on how to get up to 200,000 naira to start up a business, a small business here in Nigeria. For you to be eligible to get this free money to start up your business, you have to have a business idea. What is the business idea? What do you want to do with this money? And you have to make sure that you've been able to pay back this money. You understand? Because it's not totally that much free. But the reason why I say it's free money is because you are not bringing any collateral and you're not bringing any guarantor to being able to get this free money here in Nigeria. So all you need to do is just to have your ID card and then have a bank account whereby they will pay in the money into. First, I have to share some business idea with you guys that you can be able to use to pay back this money in 9 months period, because that's the estimate time that they're gonna give you to be able to pay back this money that you're gonna get from them. So okay, let's assume that they're already giving you this money, because I'm going to still review to you guys where to get this money from to being able to start up your own business. Let's assume that they're already giving you this money. Which business idea did you have? How did you think that you can be able to pay back this money in 9 months? 9 months, because this money is not totally free. You have to pay it back. They're just giving you the opportunity to being able to have fun, to have capital, to being able to start up a business. So when they give you this money, you are to pay back the money after 9 months. So which business do you think that you can easily venture into to being able to make this money? I want to give you guys some business idea. You don't have to go and start buying goods and stocking or venture into a business that is 50-50. What you have to do with this money is to know how to run ad. Go and look for a wholesaler or an importer, someone that will give you the best price of any particular product or item. When you get it, you can easily get them in Lagos, Alaba, all those people that import goods here in Nigeria. They will give you wholesale price. What you just need to do is just to have a very nice clear camera, take pictures of those items, let it be a hot selling product that you know that will provide value to people. You understand? Product that you know that people are willing to pay money to. Then go on Gigi and go and look for that same product. See the price they are selling it. You will see that there is price differences. If they are selling that item for 7,000 naira, maybe when you go to the wholesale seller or the importer will give you the item for 5,000 or 4,500. So you see how much profit those guys are selling on Gigi are making. And those guys selling on Gigi are making a lot of money, and those guys selling on Facebook are making a lot of money. So this money you are using it to run ad. On Gigi you pay for your ad, on Facebook you pay for your ad. So this particular money you're using it to run ad, and then the profit that comes out from it, that's your money. So you don't buy any goods and stock. Understand? Because this money, when you go and buy, Nigeria is there is a lot of competition in business now in Nigeria. So when you go and buy a lot of goods now and stock and they sell it off, 9 months reach, these people ask for their money and you're not being able to give them their money. It's better you even have the money in your account, and when the time reaches to pay back the money, you just give it. But I'm going to give you guys this idea. Use the money to run ad. That's the best option for me. But if I have any other fast way to being able to double this money in 9 months, then that is very good. But I'm going to give you my own idea. Just use this money to run ad on Gigi, on Facebook. Go to a Facebook page. After getting the item for the lowest price at the importer hand, what you're gonna do is that you just have to take clear picture of that product, make video of that product, and then upload it on your Facebook marketplace page, and then upload it on Gigi and promote it. Maybe you can promote it to 2,000 naira, promote the other one on Facebook for 4,000 or 3,000 naira, and sales will start people will start calling for that particular product. So what you would do is that you go and pick up the product from the wholesaler or from the importer and go and deliver it to the person, or just be taking it. You don't have the stock, just be taking it from the person and go and be delivering to those guys that are ordering it, or you go and be taking it. There is a way that you do this without having to buy those products. That is the idea that I'm trying to give you guys. So when you, maybe let's say that they're selling the product 7,500 or 7,000 on Gigi or Facebook, and you're getting the product or the item at the best rate of 4,500 or 5,000. You are making profit after money that you spend on ad, because maybe each 2,000 ad that you run, you may get something like 20 or 30 sales. You understand? Depending on how you run your ad. You understand? How often you run your ad. So if you want to learn more details about how to run ad, comment at the comment section. I'll make separate video on how to run Facebook ad and also how to run Gigi ad to be able to make tons of sales. But you have to know the product you're running ad on. It should be for selling product that provide value to people, product that people are more willing to pay money for. So that is it. So the app that we're getting this fund from is this app here. Let me show you guys. It's an app. So I'm going to give you guys proof on how you can be able to get this money. After having a bank account, have a BVN, you register on this app called Carbon. Carbon is the best run app in Nigeria. There is no way, there is no doubt about it. So you can see that in Carbon, now I request for a loan. They give me 172,500 naira, and I'm to repay that money in 9 months. You can see it. You can see it clearly. You can see. So I can easily claim this loan now and then start making use of this money. Understand? No, most times to raise capital is very hard in Nigeria. That's why I decided to. I'm not promoting this app, but I'm just giving you guys this app because there is a lot of loan app in Nigeria, but this one is the best, Carbon. So you can easily get up to 175,000 naira, or you can easily get up to 150,000 or 200,000 naira. But one thing about this app is that when you pay back your loan on time, they will increase your loan limit. You understand? There is a lot of people, when they take loan, they don't pay back. You are giving yourself a very bad credit score. You understand? But when you're having a very good credit score, you can easily be able to get higher amount every time you want to apply for a loan. Maybe you have a problem. It's not about starting a business. Anytime you have a problem, you can easily get loan from them. And they have the best interest rates. They can give you lower interest rate on any of your loans. You understand? You can also buy airtime and do some other things from their app. You understand? So I'm not advertising. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm just want to give you guys this information because I believe that it will be helpful to most people that are watching me now. So this is it. Comment below and comment a business idea you can be able to do with 250 or 175,000 in Nigeria. I just shared my own idea. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.